I created a Pong arcade game. I don't know if this is what they call it. In which you can use your hands to play. Instead of using your mouse and keyboard, you can use your hands to play it. Okay. Look at the game. Let's run it. So if you look at it, I'm using my hands to control the green rectangle. Look at it, I'm moving the green rectangle with my hands. Look at the camera. I just have two lives in the game over. Look at it. So it actually took me like, let me see how many lines of code. So it's 149 lines of code.